Hello, boys and girls. Today we're diving into the Atlantic Ocean to meet 6 super fun, very special dolphins who have been best friends forever. Are you ready? Let's go. Look who's coming first. It's Finstein, the smartest dolphin of the group. For his age, he already knows so many things.
Hi, I'm Finstein. I love reading books and learning new things. Did you know? Dolphins are considered the most intelligent marine animals in the world. We can learn and share our ideas with other dolphins, just like humans. We love to play and communicate. I'm the smartest in the ocean, so I love books, reading, and learning all kinds of stuff.
And here comes someone who's always hungry, Snacky. He's the greediest dolphin in the group. He loves fishing and eating, and sometimes shares his food with friends.
Hi, I'm Snacky. I love eating fish and squid. Did you know? Dolphins have teeth and are carnivores. Depending on where we live, we eat turtles, squid, cod. But baby dolphins only drink their mother's milk for the first 2 years. I love food, and that's why I brush my teeth every day.
How sweet! Here comes Bubbles, the most affectionate dolphin in the group. He loves spending time with his mom and dad.
Hi, I'm Bubbles, the most pampered dolphin in the ocean. Did you know that in the early years, baby dolphins stay close to their parents to learn how to find food? And moms always cuddle us with their songs? I love my parents so much, I give them lots of kisses every day.
And now swimming at full speed comes Splashy, the dolphin who loves jumping and playing ball the most.
Hi, I'm Splashy. I love jumping and playing ball. Did you know dolphins, like humans, breathe through lungs? To get oxygen, we jump out of the water to take a deep breath. We also love racing. Once I swam 170 kilometers. I'm the best swimmer in the whole ocean.
Listen, here comes someone very talkative. Talkie, the dolphin who loves to talk and whistle.
Hi, I'm Talkie, the most talkative dolphin in the group. I love learning new words in other languages. Did you know? Dolphins communicate with each other using gestures and sounds. That's why I'm always whistling. We're like little marine musicians.
Shh, don't wake him up. Snoozy. He's the laziest dolphin in the group, loves taking naps, and always goes to bed early to let his brain and body rest.
Hi, I'm Snoozy, and I love to rest. Did you know? Dolphins sleep with one eye open and only half their brain turned off? We're so smart that we found a way to protect ourselves from sharks, our fiercest enemies. I always go to bed early so I can wake up the next day ready for school, focus well, and get great grades.
And so our 6 dolphins introduced themselves. Finstein, Snaky, Bubbles, Splashy, Talkie, and Snoozy. In the next video, the dolphins will race in colorful cars in a super fun race. It will be called Car Race. See you in the next adventure. Thanks for joining us. If you like this video, you can draw your favorite dolphin or invent a new one. Always remember to learn, protect the ocean, and smile like a dolphin. Bye!